G'day, I'm Aussie Mark. Thanks so much for stopping by my video. We all know how much the accessories that are related to drones can cost us. So let me show you a couple of little cheap ways that I've found to make a couple of accessories that most of you will want and most of you have probably seen for sale, and I'll show you how to make them for next to nothing. I'm talking about making a sunshade for your phone or for your iPad if you use that as your point of FPV when flying your Phantom or other drone, and how to make one of those windsurfer range extenders. Very simple, for cheaper than you can even buy them, and they're pretty cheap to start with. So some of you might remember that on my Phantom 3 controller I use this kind of a setup to hold my phone. Instead of attaching it here, I simply use a GoPro mount that I stuck on there, and that way it's real easy to just come off. But it doesn't have a shade hood, and the shade hoods that you can buy commercially are not available for this particular design, so I made my own. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same as the standard design, except mine's just made out of an old cardboard box. Just got the design there, and I'll show you that right now. So that's what it looks like, and I'll put the link down below if you want to download that. All you need to do to make it adjust to suit your particular phone is just measure the crossways width, that one there. And once you've done that, you just add 1/4 of an inch, or about, what did I say, about 1/2 centimetre I think. And basically, yep, the only things are different here. You'll notice that you can see this is shiny, so I've got a couple of little aluminium corner brackets. You could use plastic or whatever you've got to hand to suit that. And on this side I have simply stuck on some black cardboard that I got for 50 cents a sheet down at the local newsagents. So how does it work? Well, let's see first of all, what does it look like folded up? It's pretty easy. All you do is you fold that. So that's what it looks like. It folds down to relatively thin, maybe a fraction wider than a standard pre-bought one. And you'll also notice if I open up here that there's Velcro right there. So to get it set up, all you do is open it up this way. Simply bring the arms in, slot them into the little slots that I put there. And that's the shade hood, and then to add it, it's simply a Velcro sticker that's on the back. Pop that on there, and there you go. So does me, doesn't come off, nice and easy. And as for the windsurfer range extender, well, all I did there was just grab 100mm a piece of PVC conduit from the hardware store. Just one of those joint connectors. It cost me about $3 and a bit Australian. Cut off a section and away you go. You just cut the slot very carefully with a Dremel tool. There you go. It simply just pushes down over the aerial, and as you can see, fits perfectly. There you go. Hope that saved you a couple of dollars, and it's always a bit of fun to do some DIY. Make a couple of homemade tools that you don't have to buy. They work just as well. Anyway, I'm going to let you go now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do appreciate it. I hope to see you on the next one, and on the ones that come after that. And I hope I get to see some of your videos too. I'll be watching. Hope to see some of your videos real soon. Take care. Bye for now.